Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Yes, we see that we have dropped below 46 cents. The price of XRP has recently dropped below 30 cents, and many analysts predict further drops in the near future. That seems like it might not actually happen. There is a lot of optimism surrounding Ripple and XRP in the month of September. This is the topic of today's video. However, let's begin with this bit of information. Acquisition discussions have escalated over the past week as a result of the security problem via a third-party analytics firm, which affected clients of Ripple's Fortress product. A representative for Ripple, which is already a minority investor in Fortress, clarified that the company had discussed a potential acquisition with Fortress in the past and that the opportunity made long-term sense for Ripple. Fortunately, Ripple could rapidly intervene to make customers whole. Fortress further assured its customers that its technology and systems had not been compromised, and that it had informed them of the situation as soon as possible. It would appear that Ripple rescued small-time investors. I should also mention that Ripple used a combination of cash and equity to fund the acquisition. There was no mention of a price. I feel compelled to emphasize this because of this very situation. Do you have any thoughts? Did Ripple use cash on hand or XRP sales to finance the bailout? The price of XRP has dropped below $48 on rumors that the cryptocurrency was sold to finance a Fortress buyout. Hold tight till Ripple makes a definitive announcement. We have no idea if XRP was sold in order to finance this acquisition. Bill Morgan, however, argues that he wouldn't want to think that Ripple traded a lot of XRP to fund this acquisition and bail out Fortress clients, therefore lowering the price of XRP. But that can't be what's behind today's price drop across the board in the cryptocurrency market. So XRP felt the same as the market as a whole. Ripple is worth $1 billion, and we all know it. Therefore, in my opinion, they will eventually buy out Fortress, as they were already a minority investment in the company. It's likely that Brad had already begun making arrangements and saving up money for Nick. Nonetheless, until Ripple provides a complete explanation. That's all conjecture, though. In the meantime, does JP Morgan's new token have a chance against XRP? Many videos will soon surface proclaiming this to be the XRP killer. This keeps reoccurring. Therefore, the new coin would facilitate quicker international settlements and payments. According to Bloomberg, the infrastructure for the token's transactions has already been constructed by JP Morgan. What I'm about to say is this. To begin, Ripple predates JP Morgan by a decade. They are affiliated with financial institutions all across the globe. In addition to being a financial institution, JP Morgan has formed relationships with nations that are also establishing CBDC infrastructure. Tokens issued by rival financial institutions are not going to be accepted. Ripple and XRP are the preferred payment methods. In my opinion, this is not the death knell for XRP and is not even a competition tax or anything. In the days ahead, though, you can expect to hear various explanations for this. But, as I've already stated, XRP is our only option. Therefore, Ripple is a gold partner at the CBDC conference. There's silver in our 3. But I do want to highlight the fact that MTech is constructing CBDCs with Hedera. In addition, I keep coming across random instances in which Ripple and Hedera are both cited in the same contexts. And a partnership between Ripple and Hedera makes perfect sense. In fact, I upload a great deal of HBAR and XRP content. That's why, right? Because Dara 2 experiences daily growth, just like Ripple does, and both are expanding at a frightening rate at the same time. Of course, I'll recommend HBAR to anyone who has XRP and is looking to diversify, but again, no coot, I don't see this as coincidence. In my perspective, it occurs far too frequently. As a result, attention has switched from London, where XRPs were initially expected to debut, to Japan. This is an exciting new phase, as preparations are being made in Japan for the debut in September 2023. As I mentioned before, XRP's outlook in September is bright. The world of cryptocurrencies is notoriously unpredictable, and this new development is no different. London was a focal point of attention since it represents a new beginning for XRP. The introduction of XRP and the regional cryptocurrency market were both affected by Japan's bold decision to host the event. The sudden change begs the question, what caused it? Japan's decision has yet to be explained, but a number of things have been brought forward as possible causes. Japan has been an early adopter of cryptocurrency, helping to pave the way for a more welcoming regulatory climate. It's a great place to start fresh with XRPS, thanks to its well-established infrastructure and strong support for digital currencies. The launch of this massive change will occur this month. There's something I want to highlight right now. The widespread adoption of digital currencies among the population in Japan is another persuasive factor for the country's selection as XRP is launchpad. Retailers, restaurants, and even local convenience stores in Japan have begun accepting cryptocurrencies as a mode of payment, reflecting the widespread acceptance of cryptocurrencies among Japanese businesses and consumers. The success of XRP's next phase depends on the widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies, and as other countries take note of Japan's progress in this area, they will make similar efforts. Nonetheless, I anticipate some short-term XRP price volatility as a result of this, but once again, this is extremely significant news. Also, two of the most prominent firms on the XRP ledger, GateHub and XRP Ledger Labs, the developers of Zoom, have joined forces to add on and off ramps for additional assets, allowing for frictionless value transfers between the XRP ledger and other networks like Seedbus Swift, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Also, a huge improvement for the XRP ledger's ecosystem. The collaboration improves the quality of life for people everywhere and speeds up the spread of cryptocurrency payment systems into the mainstream retail sector. Access and egress ramps are also crucial. Part of the new financial system is leveling the playing field, and we see this with XLM. I see these as rails that XRP will move back and forth on in the future. Here are the 14 supplementary resources. This is an asset that will continue to grow in value year after year. There is no doubt in my mind that we will expand into other niches. Furthermore, we aim to offer more than a simple international money transfer service. To do this, we will investigate many industries, possibly including insurance, and offer lines of credit to our customers on demand. Trade finance could be the answer. Today, international trade is worth $155 trillion. If we can figure out this payment problem, we can unleash the Internet of Value and open up a world of possibilities. Outside of that, the home of Brad Garlin. In its early days, Amazon sold only books. The company picked a certain market, excelled there, and is now applying its model to new niches. We believe there are many other attractive markets in which to deploy blockchain technology. To put it succinctly, you have just summarized all I have been saying for a long time. Brad plans to steal all the cash. When it comes to carbon credits, which Ripple is starting to go into, there is lots of cash in those parts. Ripple is heading into the tokenization space. In the long run, that will have a significant impact. As XRP holders, we should be delighted by Brad's efforts to expand the currency's use cases. This is significant because it ensures XRP's long-term worth by linking it to complementary industries. The XRP price has everyone worried. Right now, I'm more worried about where we'll be in 2 years. Truth be told, I anticipate XRP's price will rise over $100 sooner than most people expect. Sometime between now and 2025, I predict we'll be able to break the $1,000 barrier. And it was clearly coming your way. To my surprise, just about 5% of people around the world are actually buying cryptocurrency. But here's how I see it: since we got into crypto before the other 95% of the world did, we already have an advantage. In this respect, soon everyone on Earth will be utilizing crypto. And the vast majority of them won't even notice it while it's occurring. We were ahead of the curve when it came to crypto and the business world. We were the first ones here. And do you have any idea what will happen? Because of the low costs at which we are investing, we expect to see excellent returns. So long as we maintain our hold for a sufficient period of time. My goal is to help XRP reach its full potential. For this reason, I won't be selling any of my XRP for quite some time. I believe that additional value will continue to pour in from all sources as infrastructure is further developed and new verticals, such as the one Brad mentioned, are established. And before you know it, I'll be passing on my fortune to you and your children. We must maintain hope and patience until then. Join me in amassing wealth. After saying that, I'm going to end this video. Please accept my gratitude for tuning in. Thank you so much, everyone. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.